She doesn't want you to be in there. She's worried about you.
Why did she want me out of there so bad? Put two roofs on top of my cage.
I think you better get out of there. Those are Mom's boxes and she might get kind of mad if they get torn up.
I won't tear them up.
Come on, get out.
I'm a dog. And a dog gets things you can't see.
Dogs tear things up. Come on. If she can't see you, then it won't matter if you're in the box or not. Come on. Get out.
You can't see. I'm a dog.
Why don't you try lifting it over your head? There you go.
Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark. 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 Who's that? I'm a talking dog. Who's that? Let me guess. That's Daisy. But I'm glad I'm out of that cramping cage.
Oh, me too.
So, what do you want to talk about? I'm a talking dog. Cheese.